In this video, we'll show you how to attach an EZ-Pour bent tip adapter to an EZ-Pour spout. EZ-Pour offers a regular and high flow adapter. To attach the high flow adapter to the high flow spout, simply lubricate the spout and screw on the bent tip until it touches the sealing ridge. The same steps can be followed if you need to attach the regular adapter to a high flow spout. Now, to attach either bent tip, the high flow or the regular flow, to the regular spout, a modification will need to be made. Before screwing on either tip, you'll need to use a blade to cut the spout just above this level of threading. Be aware, this is a permanent modification for your regular spout. With your spout modified, you're ready to screw your tip onto the regular flow spout, just as you did with the high flow spout. And now you have an EZ-Pour spout with a bent tip adapter. For more information or to order any of our EZ-Pour products, visit ezpourspout.com.